Okay, so hey everybody, audio experience is very important in our everyday life because especially people in the fields of video editing, in gaming, or in playing musical instruments, right? So especially for these people, audio experience is that thing which will complete that overall audio experience, right? Which will keep them entertained, which will keep them involved in their work because especially people in these areas, right, every single musical note matters for them, right? And obviously budget is something which will always restrict us to have that flagship audio experience, right? And there are obviously very a number of brands, right, which are which have provided those flagship specifications in a budget range, obviously, right? So that is one good thing, not that effectively, but still. So this Bolt Pro Bass Ranger over-ear headphones is a similar kind of headphone, right? Having all those specifications at a price less than 2000 rupees, right? So, and I've been using these headphones for over 1 week now, and in today's video, I'm going to give a complete and full review of this Bolt Pro Bass Ranger headphones. What crazy names people put, I don't understand. However, right? So hello guys, this is Umang Jha from Technology Overdose. Let's begin. But before starting this video, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will not miss any amazing video that I put on my YouTube channel. Okay, so first things first, right? Talking about design and build quality, right? So you get a metal band, metal strip on above the headband, which will obviously protect this headphone if it falls on the side of headband, which is really good because protection is being given here. But other than that, these ear cups are of plastic, right? But the quality of plastic is really great. So in terms of build quality, it is definitely worth at 2000 rupees. It's talking about design. Generally, headphones aren't much design focused, right? But still, here Bolt has really I actually want to appreciate Bolt because they have really actually given a lot of design oriented thing in this headphone as well, right? You get honeycomb type of design in on the ear cups, but other than that you also get these gold accent, these headband metal and on the ear cups as well, which really are eye catchy and it really looks good, right? So in terms of design and build quality, definitely worth at 2000 rupees. Next, talking about comfortness, because that is also one of the important aspects of a headphone, right? So this headphone comes with auto adjustable this headband, right? So that is a really good thing. That means just you do not have to set that you do not have to adjust it using that physical strap because you don't have an option here. So you have to just keep it like this and it will automatically adjust according to your head to that optimum adjustable position, right? So that is obviously a good thing because it reduces our work. But yeah, I have noticed sometimes that very rarely, but still I have noticed that it does not actually go to that optimum headband position which we want. So sometimes it gets annoying. But other than that, in terms of comfort, it is really great. Even these large ear cups are very spongy and it does not even create that itchy feeling in ears, right? So even in long hour usage as well, definitely comfortness is very good. But still, one thing to be noticed is that since this is a studio kind of focused headphone, it is a little bit on the heavier side, right? So more than 4 to 5 hours, you cannot use it completely. You cannot use it continuously because it will start making your head feel heavy and you will automatically remove these from your head, right? So that is one thing to be noted. But other than that, in terms of comfortness, definitely great at the price of 2000 rupees. Next, talking about connectivity, right? So connectivity, in terms of connectivity, you get dual connectivity. That means both wired and wireless. And talking about wireless, it's obviously Bluetooth and you get Bluetooth 5.0 connection in this. So that is really great because it's the latest connection, right? So yeah, in terms of connectivity as well, it's really great, right? So that is one good thing. And by the way, you also get passive noise cancellation. So that is also really good thing. So yeah, in terms of connectivity as well, I don't think you will have any problem for sure. Next, talking about multifunctionality buttons, right? So you get 3 multifunctionality buttons on one of the ear cups, right? And they are actually placed very compactly, right? So that is really irritating, annoying most of the times, because since the buttons are really very small, it really becomes difficult to actually differentiate that which button is for what, right? So in fact, whenever I have to switch on or switch off, I just take off the headphones and then switch it off or switch it off, right? So I think that here Bolt should have done a little bit of great adjustment than this, because this adjustment of buttons is definitely will make you feel irritated and will annoy you definitely a lot of times, right? So that is one of the problem I've noticed. But if you talk about multifunctionality, you get all those multifunctional tasks, right? Like you can pause or play the video, obviously you can on or off the headphone. Other than that, you can accept or reject the calls. You can even wake up your Google or Siri assistant, and obviously increase or decrease volume as well with these three multi-functionality buttons. So that is also a great thing that you get with this headphone. Next, talking about audio. So that is obviously the most important thing if you talk about a headphone, and nowhere it is specified that how much, what is the size of the drivers of this headphone. Not on the official website, not even in the description of Amazon, but I've read in some sites that you get 50 deep drivers. Just imagine that, you get 50 deep drivers under 2000. That is really crazy, right? But obviously, talking about audio experience I had, talking about bass, crazy bass, right? In fact, I'm just in love with the bass of this, right? That extra bass you want, that extra thumping bass you always require when you hear those beat songs, right? It provides that. And in fact, in terms of bass, I think if you compare this with a 5000 headphone, so that much bass quality that this headphone has, right? In fact, I have also tested it by hearing those 8D surround audio test available on YouTube, right? And this headphone just performs flawlessly. In terms of bass, I'm really very impressed, right? But other than that, talking about audio quality, the treble is decent, even the mids, the vocals, everything is clearly audible. Other than that, if you hear a song full of musical instruments, you can differentiate each and every musical instrument as well. So seeing the price tag of 2000 rupees, the audio quality is definitely worth. In fact, I would say that it is worth more than 2000, definitely. So well done, Bolt, in terms of audio quality. But before moving to the battery life, you also get IPX5 rating in this, which is generally rare because headphones in these price range will come with IPX4 rating, right? So in IPX5 rating, generally you can, this is water resistant up to 1 meter and up to 13 minutes. So people, for gym freaks, this is a really good thing. So yeah, if you are someone who goes to gym regularly, you won't have a problem with these headphones for sure. Next, talking about battery life, right? So you get 13 hours of continuous playback. Other than this, you get 48 hours of standby time. So that is really decent. It's not the best, definitely not the best, but it's not the worst either, right? So it's really decent battery life. So yeah, if you are someone who travel a lot, then yeah, you will also get that long battery life you need. And if you talk about charging, in around 20 to 25 minutes it gets fully charged. So that is a really amazing thing which most of the headphones don't have. So yeah, in terms of battery life also, this headphone is great. So finally, what is the conclusion, right? See, this is priced less than 2k rupees, and if I see the price tag of 2000, then I would say that this headphone is not 100% but 200% worth it, because the audio quality, the extra bass, the overall sound quality, battery life, build quality, everything is of top notch. If I see at the 2000, in fact, even if this was priced greater than 2000, even at that price also it was worth it, right? So yeah, that was it about everything of this Bolt ProBass Ranger over-ear headphone, right? So yeah, if this video was helpful, then please hit that like button, share this video, comment down if you have any suggestions or queries. We'll meet in the next video, but till that, stay safe, keep smiling.